Hello! To switch on or off flashlight on Redmi Note 14, there are actually two ways to do this, and the first one is to swipe down to your quick settings menu, and right here is the button to turn on the flashlight. And right now, as you can see, it is enabled, and yeah, you also disable this flashlight with this button. And there is also the second way to do this, and it's used by the shortcut. So first of all, you have to go into the settings, scroll all the way down and go into additional settings and gesture shortcuts, and right here we have the option turn on flashlight. To double press the power button, so we enable this option, and right now to turn on the flashlight you simply have to double press the power button, and as you can see the flashlight is turning on, and it doesn't even require your phone to be unlocked, like, you know, to be lit. You can perform this operation by with your phone locked actually, so that's very nice and quick way to do this. So that's the also second way to turn on and turn off your flashlight, and that's it. Thank you for watching.